Rebar Tools Module Function Introduction. Adjust rebar. Adjust negative rebar. This command edits existing negative rebars. Click the Adjust Negative Rebar function. Enter a new negative reinforcement number. Enter a new length of negative reinforcement. Select the negative reinforcement to adjust. Negative rebar adjustment completed. Change hook direction. This command changes the direction of the bar hook. Click the Change Hook Direction function. Select the bar to change the direction of the hook. Right-click to confirm. Bar hook direction change completed. Change tie bar hook. This command changes the type of bar hook. Click the Change Tie Bar Hook function. Select the tie bar that needs to change the hook. Right-click to confirm. Tie bar hook type change completed. Change width of rebar. This command adjusts the line weight of the drawn rebar. Click the Change Width of Rebar function. Select Objects. Enter a new bar width. Right-click to confirm. Rebar line width change completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.